everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxio from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some beautiful coral lace tuiles. So have you guys ever seen dishes that are garnished with these beautiful delicate lace tuiles and wonder how they're made? Well, they're super easy to put together, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys the basic recipe. If you've ever tried them before, you know that besides looking beautiful and having some crunch, they don't have a lot of taste to them, but it doesn't need to be that way. Like what I like to do and encourage you guys to do as well, once you have the basic recipe down, try to find different ways of infusing taste into them. A few things that I like to do is substituting the water for beet juice, for example, or for chicken stock infused with herbs. You can also use squid ink. Another thing that I like to do is using the juice from a jar of kimchi, for example, for more of a spicy tuile. Those are just some ideas. I hope you guys get creative with it. Let's get started.
For this basic recipe, we're going to use flour, water, vegetable oil, and some food coloring. Start with 1/3 cup of room temperature water. To that, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil. 1 heaping tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and food coloring. Mix it well to combine. Heat up a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Spoon some of the mixture onto the skillet. You can use less or more depending on the size of tuile you wish to make. Be careful, because it will splatter. The oil will heat up and the water evaporate, creating the beautiful lace coral texture. Once it stops to bubble, remove the tuile carefully with a spatula or tweezers and transfer to some paper towel to drain. That is it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to like it and subscribe for more recipes to come.